Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into NatWest Bank online. Whether you want to check your balance, make payments, or manage your finances, logging in safely is the first step, so here is how you do it. First of all, open up a web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then in the search bar, type in natwest.com and search. You'll then end up in the official website for NatWest Bank. Go ahead and look for the login or sign in button at the top left corner and tap on it. You'll then end up in the login page. In the login page, you can go ahead and choose to enter your customer number or your card number. Select any one option and enter the credentials. Start off by typing in your customer number or your card number. Make sure to type it down correct. And then, if you don't remember your login detail, you can get help by tapping Forgotten your login details. After typing down your credential, click Continue, and on the next page, you'll be entering your password. Type in your correct password in the respective field, and once you are done, NatWest may require additional security verification using your secure device SMS code or card reader. Follow the instructions carefully to complete the verification. Once you have the correct credentials, you'll be logged in and you can now view your account balance, make payments, and manage your banking settings. And that's it. You will successfully log into your NatWest Bank account online, whether you are using mobile device or your computer. Just make sure to log out after using your account, especially on shared or public devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.